If you're experiencing issues with Zoho Mail not receiving emails, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. A poor connection can affect email delivery. Verify domain settings. Make sure your domain's DNS records are correctly set up. Verify that your MX records are configured properly for Zoho Mail. You can check this in your domain provider's DNS settings. Check spam or junk folder. Sometimes, legitimate emails might end up in the spam or junk folder. Check these folders to ensure the email hasn't been mistakenly flagged. Review email filters. Log into Zoho Mail and check any filters you may have set up. If any filters are directing emails to folders other than your inbox, modify or disable them as needed. Storage limit. Ensure Zoho Mail account has not exceeded its storage limit. If it has, delete unnecessary emails or upgrade your plan to increase storage. Verify email forwarding settings. Check if you set up email forwarding to another account. If so, ensure the forwarding settings are correct and that emails aren't being directed elsewhere. Contact Zoho support. If none of the above works, contact Zoho support for assistance.